Hey guys, my name is Mangio.
And I'm popped.
Today we'll be recording our mukbang.
Mukbang Corner.
Starting off with my spicy lobster tails. Let's try a bite. Nothing on it. That tasted delicious. Now let's try it with the lime. Let's give it a bite. Wow, that tasted wonderful. Now we have Cajun sauce, so let's give that a try. Lobster out, Cajun sauce in. Let's give it a bite. That tasted delicious. I felt every single one of the flavors in that sauce on my tongue. Every single drop of the lobster's juicy butter went down my throat. Let's try that again. Delicious. Truly a masterpiece.
Now on my side, I have the honey crab claws. I'll take a claw and eat it. Truly magnificent. The flavors, the tenderness, the juiciness, it all just goes so well together. Now, let's try it with some lime. Now, let's try it with some Cajun sauce. Mmm. I can taste all the spiciness, all the flavors from that Cajun sauce in my mouth. Truly wonderful. I love this. Now, I'm gonna try the lime. Oh, it's so zesty. It's so nice. It's so sour. Truly magnificent. Delicious. Come try it. Cajun sauce and the lime sauce. Let's try it, guys. Wonderful. I give this a 10 out of 10. You have to come try this.
Next up, let's try what's in the middle. The corn dogs. Now, with this panko dog, I'll dip in the spicy sauce. Let's give it a bite. Wow, that was amazing. The cheese just stretches out of your mouth. The potato tastes wonderful. Let's give it one more bite. Truly a great experience. 10 out of 10.
Now on my side, I'll be trying the honey mustard sauce. First, let's try it alone, just by itself. It's so crispy, it's salty, it's nice and tender. Truly a wonderful experience. Let's try it with the honey mustard sauce. I get the tang from the mustard, the sweetness from the honey, and I still get the crunch from the actual corn dog. It's wonderful. Now let's try the last bite. 10 out of 10. I got no other words for this corn dog.
Next up, I think it's time for the dessert. Let's give it the apple pie a try. Wow, this is delicious. I want more. Even more. More. Oh yeah. Last one.
Now on my side, I have the Dubai Chewy cookies. Let's take a bite. Oh, it's so chewy and sweet. That pistachio inside is so crunchy and wonderful. Alright, we need to come back for more. More! I need more! Truly delicious.
Let's give this a try. These are the famous Dubai Chewy chocolate cookies from this corner restaurant. This better be good. Oh wow, they didn't lie. The cookies really are chewy. The inside pistachio just drips down. The inside's so crunchy. It doesn't defeat the chewy part of it though. The cookie's nice and soft and warm. Let's give it another bite. Truly magnificent. I give these cookies a 10 out of 10.
Now, I think it's time we try the matcha chewy cookies. These bad boys are packed with matcha. They're bitter, they're soft, they're nice, they're chewy. Let's give it a try, will we? Mmm. Let me get another bite in. It's so tasty. It's out of this world. I think I need to try another. They weren't lying when they said these were the best cookies ever. I give these an 11 out of 10. They're chewy, soft, just so good. Overall, the best cookies I've ever eaten.
Now, I think it's time for me to try a matcha cookie.
Nah, these are mine. Sorry, pal.
No, my cookie.
Mmm, wonderful. You really think you can steal my cookies? I'll eat them all in front of your face. The last cookie is the matcha chewy cookies, and it's also mine.
No.
Ah, that was wonderful. I give this spot a 10 out of 10.
I guess that's alright. But it's time for me to wash everything down with some nice orange soda. Let's try the orange soda. Oh wow, the flavor is it's packed with orange and soda. Truly a masterpiece.
Now I will be trying the matcha milk. Mmm, that was delicious. I truly think it's one of the best matchas I've ever had. I usually don't like matcha, but I'll make an exception for this one.
Now that's a wrap for today's mukbang at Mukbang Corner. Make sure you come check it out. That's where we'll end things off. See you later.